Kingdom greetings and blessings, greetings one and all. Today I am here again. I have a warning for Akeem Dunbar, aka World Dawg. World Dawg, I reached out to you sometime this year, I think it's in January, that I saw a attack on your life, which is an attack I had saw. I had reached out to you via your inbox, and you had replied to me. However, I have a second warning for you, Mr. Akeem. The Lord showed me that 6 men are plotting to attack you again. Now this time, they're saying that they have you, they must get rid of you. I saw these 6 men plotting. I actually saw them carrying out the act. Now, I want you to be very careful, Mr. Akeem. Your home is being monitored by these men. Your home is being monitored by these men. And that's where they want to launch the attack, because you are being careful. So they're monitoring your home so that they can launch the attack there. However, I saw them launching the attack, but I saw God saving you. It's like they're saying you have to dead, but you can't dead. Today, I want to tell you that you are purpose. Purpose is on your life. But I want you to be very careful and vigilant. I am praying for you that the Lord will continue to sustain your life because you are purpose. And I'm asking God to cancel every attack or any other attack that they have to take your life away. I don't know what's up with these men, but let me tell you something. There's nothing that God cannot do. And I am praying for you that God will continue to sustain your life. I don't know you personally, but God knows you. All right. God bless you and shalom. And you can reach out to me personally and, we can talk more if you desire. May the good Lord continue to bless and keep you. And I will leave you with Psalms 91, verse 1. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Make the Lord place your dwelling place. Continue praying. God hear you and he see you. May the good Lord bless you and shalom.